Winding and crowded city streets or long stretches of empty roads, we tend to spend a lot of time on the bus. We know the point of departure and we know the destination, but the journey itself can bring a few surprises. That is why we build Solaris buses, believing that sometimes the effort to reach the objective is more important than the objective itself, while the way you travel sometimes matters more than traveling itself. Solaris, the power of enthusiasm. The unique styling, the characteristic feature of the Solaris Urbino bus range, is the work of German designers from the IFS Design Atelier GmbH and Fischland Vogel Design. The unique body shape with its typical elegant lines and stylish curves distinguish the Solaris Urbino from other city buses. You can easily spot and recognize the Solaris Urbino even from a long distance. The low floor design and wide doors ensure ease of entry and exit, while the suspension kneeling mechanism allows the entrance to be lowered to just 270 millimeters above the ground. Perfectly flat floor with anti-slip covering and wide space between rear wheel arches with as much as 625 millimeters available enable passengers to move comfortably and safely up and down the length of the bus interior. The driver's compartment is a harmony of comfort and state-of-the-art technology, designed with all the principles of ergonomics in mind. The driver holds the safety of the passengers and the vehicle in his hands. For this reason, ensuring a proper environment for the driver becomes one of the key issues when designing and engineering a new vehicle. The Solaris Urbino interior exudes warmth and is passenger-friendly. To ensure maximum passenger safety, all sharp edges and corners have been eliminated. The interior makes extensive use of the concepts which maximize ergonomic designs in the driver and passenger areas. The layout of the passenger grab rails and buttons has been carefully thought out, and naturally, the seats have been designed to ensure comfortable travel. The seats are mounted to the walls, which, among other things, makes interior cleaning much easier, and very close contouring and meticulous fixing of the floor covering protects the floor against wear and protects chassis components against corrosion. The elegantly dropping lower line of the windscreen on the near side gives the driver much better visibility of the pavement near the bus stop, thus ensuring extra safety for passengers, especially children, waiting at the bus stop. The Solaris Urbino is a design that is very friendly to disabled users. The middle entrance is fitted with a wheelchair access ramp as standard. Wide distance between wheel arches and wide aisles facilitate moving up and down the interior. All handles and buttons are placed within easy reach, while a special securing belt holds the wheelchair firmly in place. All these measures contribute to greater comfort and safety for disabled passengers. The Solaris Urbino instrument panel is all about ergonomics and ease of use. The switches, buttons, and instruments are positioned for optimum comfort, and they have been made legible for intuitive use. The steering column and the driver's seat are fully adjustable. The driver's compartment can be fitted with individual air conditioning. The passenger compartment can benefit from air conditioning, also available as an option. Sliding and tilting window vents, aided by roof hatches that are controlled from the driver's seat, ensure proper ventilation of the Solaris Urbino interior. In the event of an emergency, these roof hatches double as emergency exits. A Solaris Urbino bus can be equipped with modern audio-video technology to be used as a passenger information system or as a video monitoring system to increase passenger and driver security. Solaris Urbino's hydraulic power-assisted steering comes into its own in dense urban traffic, helped by a tight turning circle. They help to maneuver the vehicle easily in tight spaces, enhance driver control, and contribute to smooth driving while also reducing driver fatigue. Brake efficiency is one of the fundamental issues which determine vehicle and passenger safety. Solaris Urbino's dual-circuit brake system, with disc all around, aided by the EBS system, ensures safe braking and help to shorten the stopping distance. The rain gutter immediately above the upper window line prevents water from pouring over the windows and side panels of the bus. This improves visibility, as well as driver and passenger comfort on rainy days and when it is snowing. Every customer is unique, and Solaris always goes the extra mile to meet every customer's needs and requirements. The customer has the possibility of specifying the main components, beginning with the power units, transmissions and axles, through the type of doors and seats, all the way to more specialized features, including air conditioning, audio-video systems on board, diagnostic systems, or one-off features such as toilet facilities. The Solaris Urbino body structure has been engineered for hard work. Its heavy-duty design helps to withstand the challenge of driving on very rough road surfaces, while the use of stainless steel makes it corrosion-proof. Every year, Solaris Urbino buses carry millions of passengers, covering hundreds of thousands of kilometers across Europe.
The Solaris Urbino is available in 5 body lengths with 8, 6, 10, 12, 15 and 18-meter derivatives.
The modular design helps to optimize engineering and production costs and to keep the operating and servicing costs to a minimum. Extensive standardization of parts and components, as well as servicing and diagnostic procedures, bring significant savings to our customers. Servicing of the Solaris Urbino buses has been made easier thanks to a number of innovative solutions. Service intervals have been extended, while the time needed to replace service individual systems and replace standard parts has been cut thanks to ease of access.
Yet another vehicle in the current Solaris bus and coach product range is the Solaris Urbino 12 CNG. It's an advanced city bus powered by compressed natural gas. Currently, the Solaris CNG bus range comprises models with 12, 15 and 18-meter body lengths. Solaris Urbino CNG is based on the design and engineering concepts used in the existing Solaris Urbino family of city buses. The unique feature of this vehicle that differs it from its diesel engine stablemates in the Solaris range are the roof-mounted gas cylinders. Externally, they resemble panels normally used to disguise roof-mounted air conditioning units. The Solaris Urbino CNG features 4 such 310-litre cylinders used to store natural gas under a pressure of 20 MPa. These cylinders are latest 4th-generation polymer composite tanks made from chemically hardened resins reinforced by glass fiber and carbon fiber. Bonding of the polymer-based inner skin with the composite body of the cylinder is effected on the molecular level, which ensures excellent durability, claimed by the manufacturer to be 20 years. The material and the design of the cylinders ensure safety of the Solaris passengers, as these gas tanks are subjected to extremely rigorous testing procedures. Technical inspections of the CNG cylinders must be carried out regularly as required by relevant legislation in a country where the vehicle is operated. Passenger safety in a CNG-powered vehicle is further ensured by the very properties of this type of fuel. CNG is lighter than air. In the unlikely event of a system failure, natural gas evaporates and dissolves in the atmosphere. Moreover, the CNG ignition temperature is twice as high as that of LPG, diesel fuel or petrol. Consequently, one could say that this type of fuel is indeed safe. Natural gas is an environmentally friendly fuel that ensures economy of operation. The use of CNG to power the Solaris Urbino bus helps to meet the extremely stringent EEV emission standards with additional bonus of reduced noise levels. The green characteristics of the Solaris Urbino with CNG power help to reduce the impact on the environment. Solaris El Pino, the smallest model and the latest addition to the successful Solaris range, has been developed in response to the needs of our customers. Both the exterior and interior design of the El Pino have been carried over from the remaining models in the Solaris low-floor city bus range. With a body length of 8.6 meters and width of just 2.4 meters, the Solaris El Pino is designed to meet the needs of operators who run their buses on narrow and winding roads and streets of towns located in mountainous regions. Solaris El Pino is also an ideal choice in dense city traffic, especially for the narrow streets of old towns. Solaris El Pino is powered by a high-power Euro 4 diesel engine with dynamic performance coupled to an advanced automatic transmission. Thanks to this powertrain, Solaris Urbino can negotiate the steepest of hills and gradients. The bus has seating for 13 passengers and total capacity of the Solaris El Pino is up to 60 passengers. Solaris El Pino is a full low-floor design with kneeling function. Passengers enter and exit the vehicle through a single panel door at the front and a two-panel door amidships. A wheelchair ramp and a dedicated wheelchair bay are available as standard. Solaris El Pino features Voigt independent front axle and the ZF rear drive axle. The small size of the vehicle made it possible to use super single tires for the rear wheels. A 165-litre fuel tank is located behind the front entrance.
Solaris Urbino, ultimate proof that traveling in the city can also bring pleasure. Welcome aboard.